Found this little neat IKEA ceiling lamp. It's called Regnskur. Hopefully I said that correctly. This is the name of it. It's around 19 inches. So this is fully lit on. You can see there is a little tag right there. So you want to make sure that that is on the other side from where most people will be looking. But for like 25 bucks. Looks pretty nice from a 360 perspective. There are 3 different light bulbs in there. And if you kind of look on in, you'll see the nuts and bolts and some stickers. So don't look up through that hole so much. But other than that, it looks fine. I have a dimmer on it, so I'll bring it down so you can see. Again, you do see the light bulbs right through the cloth. And it gives a very warm, light tone to it with these particular light bulbs. I'm sure with cooling lights, you'd get much more of a blue effect. But we've gone with these Relax bulbs by GE. So if I turn it off, you'll see the coloring matches very nicely with the ceiling, actually. And you really kind of walking around wouldn't even notice that that's cloth in a way. Looks like a kind of maybe a hard shell to it, you know, when it's off. As it back up in the corner, you can see. So kind of gives you an idea of what I'm talking about. It doesn't take up that much of the ceiling space, but if you're looking for something that's very simple and kind of elegant in a way, interesting to look at. And essentially, it's a different form of a boob light, let's be real. But, you know, it doesn't dip down, so I can definitely walk underneath it, have plenty of space. Anyway, what I'd like to do is kind of take it apart so you can see what's going on in there. Also, when you do screw it all together, it doesn't come with these screws, but I use these, the number 8, they're 2 by a 1/2 inch, so they're just a good length to kind of get it as close to the ceiling as possible. That's what I was struggling with that a little bit, trying to figure out what screw to use. But what you got to do is look around for this little metal piece, and it's magnetized right up here, and I'll just casually pull it down. There are 3 of them, one over there and one over there, and boom, it's down. So that's what it looks like, 3 light bulbs. Every one of them is easy to screw on in. You gotta put those little screws on in there. And these are the 1/2 inch screws that I was just talking about on the sides here. Took a little while to figure that one out. It's still screwed in, but you know, it's pretty tight. Doesn't move too much, I think. And so here is the cloth, kind of more in the light. The cloth itself is pretty white. There's not really a lot of brown in it. What you'll do is, where is it? It's a little like a tight cloth, and you'll have this rope here within this cloth that you'll hide. But you just tighten it on up, pull on the string, wrap it around and pull on the string and tighten it. You probably want another person to help you on out because it'll just make it that much easier. Let's go ahead and see, here's the little pouch that it comes in. You'll hide that string on in there, but the pouch will still be present. So, and where are these guys? So this is where the magnet strip, you know, the magnet's on the other piece. So these are just some metal places that you'll have to put the magnets to, but they're hidden pretty well. Okay, so here is that metal piece, and we just go on up there, kind of try our best to line it up. Easier said with 2 hands, but for now I'm using the other one. Let's see, around here. And you can hear it snap. I'm missing this one a little bit. There it is. So just like that, you'll hear it click on into place. It seems secure to me in all three of the areas. Push it in if you want a little bit. Make sure it's all connected. And just like that, pretty easy to set on up. So thank you all for watching this video. If you have any questions about this ceiling light, let me know them in the comments section below. And subscribe to my channel, DaveWeLike, for more videos coming soon. Bye.